Hi there, fan of Nutella. I have got the ultimate treat for you. Let's make some delicious Nutella pancakes. First, fill up the piping bag with scoops of yummy Nutella. Place a baking paper on a tray and pipe some Nutella disc on it. Let them freeze for 30 minutes. Meantime, on a bowl, add some flour, baking powder and some baking soda and then sieve all these dry ingredients. On another bowl, crack an whole egg, add some vanilla essence, a tablespoon of sugar and some oil and pour some milk. Then whisk all of them. Next, gradually add the dry ingredients and whisk until you no longer see little to no lumps. Start by preheating a pan on a low heat. Pour in 1/4 cup of pancake batter. Then place a frozen Nutella disc right in the center. Cover it with a bit more batter. Pop a lid on the pan and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until you see those edges turn golden brown. Flip it, cook for another 20 to 30 seconds and then take it on a plate. The way this batter will make at least 5 Nutella pancakes. There you have it. Enjoy this tempting Nutella pancakes. Oh yum, look at that Nutella falling out from the pancake. So bye for today and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to try our latest recipes.